Hey all, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to be trying out and testing a couple of products from this very well-renowned Indian brand that is Colorbar Cosmetics. So let's start off. So we're going to start off with the Colorbar Mesmerized Eye Gel, and this one is really good. It glides very well on your skin, and also it's great for smudging. So I wouldn't say that this would be very long lasting, but it works really well to smudge. I have a million videos on how to smudge out your liner. I'm going to link one right up here for you to check it out. Now we're going to try out this new launch from Colorbar, which is the Colorbar Bewitching eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that matte eyeshadow and I'm going to press it upon the smudged area. And I would say that this is really pigmented compared to a lot of other drugstore eyeshadows I've tried, like Maybelline, etc., etc. These ones are extremely pigmented. I love the way they have a very good finish. I just wish they had another matte eyeshadow to slightly blend it out. And anyways, I'm basically just deepening my outer corner and my crease, and these layered beautifully and it does show up. These aren't very creamy and they aren't too powdery also. They're somewhere in the middle texture, but they have a good pigmentation. So next up, we're going to take this Cobalt Shimmer, and these shimmers kind of have a foiled effect. They don't have a sparkly effect. So they do layer really well and they're quite opaque, and these do not crease, which is something I love about shimmers. So once I applied my shimmer, I'm just going to jump back to the pencil brush and take that dark blue slightly above the crease. And then we're going to take the same kohl pencil and go along the lash line. So I'm just slightly smudging that out, and I'm again just redoing my shimmer. So next up, we're going to move to this blue Kajal pencil, and I would say this is the best blue Kajal pencil I've ever tried out. It sits so well in the waterline, and after that, we're going to jump back to a little bit of kohl and go underneath the lashes, and then I'm going to just smudge it out the same way we did in the upper lash line just to make it a little more smoky. And then once that is done, we're going to go back with a little bit of blue right below and smoke it out. So next up, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with a little bit of a golden eyeshadow, and this looked great too. So moving on to the all matte eyeliner, I would say that this one's brush is super good and very fine and detailed, and the formula lasts all day. So we're going to pick up the Zoom and Whoosh mascara. So you should check out my review of this mascara. So click on the link up here to check it out, and I'm going to give my lashes about a couple of coats, and then we're going to move to the Glow Crazy highlighter, and we're going to highlight our cheekbones. So I'm going to throw in a pair of lashes from Colorbar, and I must say these are one of the best lashes I've ever tried out anywhere in the drugstore market. So this completes a very smoky blue eyeshadow tutorial using just Colorbar products, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And do give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, and let me know which other reviews you want down in the description bar below. And until next time, bye!